What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to put to the test big lighter gadget. So I was searching through the internet and I come across quite a few just the big lighter gadgets. You know, I feel about lighter gadgets, they're a little bit better than cheap stuff right here. And I started doing a little bit of a research and I ran in quite a few new lighter gadgets that I haven't put to the test. So I thought you're probably going to enjoy that video. Let's see what they got. So you got here mini big lighter and it's pretty boring, really small. Well, guess what? They actually sell a little attachment by big as well. So same company, and this one is for the mini. So you put your mini big lighter into here and it clicks in and it becomes, so it's a little holder for your mini big lighter. Makes your boring cheap lighter into a really cool lighter. I like it. Also, if you drop it, it's going to protect it a little bit. Guess what? I got something even cooler. Looks like a Zippo lighter, right? Boom. If you open up, it's just empty. And then you put in your mini lighter in there and it becomes look like a Zippo lighter. Except, boom, it's just a mini big lighter, but it masks it into this amazing super cool lighter. And this gadget is also made by Big. You see the symbols right there? That's so cool. So once again, makes your boring lighter look like it's an expensive lighter. Great idea. This holder is a little bit more useful. Let's put it to, oh wait, there's extra wire it comes with. Take that out. First of all, it looks really cool. You can light it up, start a fire, boom. But at the same time, you have this little cord you can untwine and actually hold it over like this. And as soon as it lights up, you can use this cord to start a fire, so that way you're not wasting all your gas. How cool of an idea that is. And this looks like some kind of wax, so it's burning really slowly. So that way you have a very long time to start a fire without wasting much gas. Look how well it's burning too. And if you want to wrap it back, just put it back, it sticks together. I really love this gadget. First of all, it looks amazing and there is a great purpose for survival situation as well. And then another attachment right here, I found it on Amazon. It's all about make your cheap lighter look like a lot more expensive, I guess. Boom. Okay, let's see if it's going to fit. Put it all the way in. And once again, once you push it all the way in, your boring lighter turn into this cool lighter. Check this out. I took off this metal part so that way it fits better. And this is what it's going to look like. And all you have to do is just fill it from here. So they already established a little hole inside there. So that way you don't even have to take out your big lighter. Looks so much better, don't you think? For the next gadget, I already put this one to the test before, but I wanted to include into this list again for those people who haven't seen it. This is another case holder, but this is a survival kind, a waterproof. Get yourself a regular big lighter, it works, and then all you have to do is put it into this plastic case. And then you close it like this and boom, it becomes waterproof lighter. You can put a little cord on it so that way you can hook it up to a backpack or something. So that way whenever you need a lighter to start a fire, all you have to do is pop this open, light it, start a fire, whatever you have to do, and then you can close it so that way it's not going to get wet and get ruined. I really love this gadget a lot, probably one of my favorite ones. And my most favorite lighter gadget is one of these. By far, I have been using it so much for, I don't know, cutting strings or especially open up boxes or packages. So what you do, same thing, stick your big lighter into here, boom, slides in really well. Still you can light it very easily, lights no problem. But let me show you right here. It's a little knife, boom, flip knife, and it's such a high quality knife to open packages. Look how easy that is. Just be careful when you use a knife, don't cut yourself, obviously. Look at that, no problem. Cut it this way. Boom. And if you need to cut the paper like this, no big deal. All the way through. Really thick packaging, and it cuts it so well. I always use it as a box cutter. To close it, all you have to do is push it this way and close it all the way. And if you need to pull it out, once again, boom. Love it. Simple, but really high quality. And it's amazing because at the same time it's a lighter too. This is also perfect in survival situation. You got fire and you got a little knife. Who knows what you can use it for. Knife is a very good tool. And there is a couple more mini lighter attachments. All you have to do is just put it through, it locks in. Oh, this lighter burnt out. Same thing right here. Boom. So makes your tiny little lighter much bigger, but at the same time a little cooler, I guess. And for the next big lighter gadget, we got here lighter burn. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. You got your big lighter, and check this out. It is perfect fit. Boom, I really like this black big lighter, so that way it matches together. Easy to light it, it's not on the way, but then if you need a knife, boom, you got yourself a knife, and then you can open packages like this. You know, super annoying to open packages like that all the time. And what else they got here? On this side, let's pop this open. Nice, you got yourself a little scissors. Definitely looks cool and makes your lighter a lot better. And if your lighter breaks, all you have to do is just take off the lighter and put a new one. That's it. And for the next gadget, I really love this one as well. This one is for the mini big lighter. What you're going to do is get your big lighter and stick it to all the way in. Boom. And what it is a little clip, so now that way you can clip it onto your backpack anywhere you would like, on your belt, jeans. So that way it's really handy. You can just unclip it, take it off, and it sits in there really tight. It's not going to come out really easily. If I need to take it off, look how much force I have to use to take it off. There you go. It's an amazing clip for sure. Love this one a lot. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.